So what I have here is a Woodmaster 4400 outdoor wood boiler. And what the problem is that I've got a hole in the water jacket up by the chimney, where the chimney came in. You're supposed to silicone this at the top, and a couple years I haven't done it. I haven't done it in a long time. So now I gotta patch it and repair it. So I'm gonna try to videotape most of this that I can do. But as you can see, I already pulled the outdoor panels, the outside panels off. I'm gonna pull the roof off now so I have clear access to it. So I removed the roof and wire wheeled and grinded a lot of the scaling rust. On both sides. I went to Woodmaster and purchased their patch kit. I got 2 of these that are 1/4 inch. And I also have a chimney if I use it, and a 2-inch vent pipe. This is the finished product. The patch is all welded in, the chimney and the vent pipe.